So this is a 2022 Honda Pioneer 520, and these have a seatbelt safety feature where if you're not wearing your seatbelt, you can't go over 14 miles or so. So what you want to do is you'll take out these two T10 screws that are at the bottom of that cover. You'll take that cover off, then you'll take this one off, and right down there there's this tab that sits on top of that white button right there. So when you don't have your seatbelt on, it's pressing down on that button. So normally it'd be like this, pressing down on that button right there, and your screen, you get that seatbelt warning flash right there. So when you let go of that, you get nothing. And I'll show you guys how it is. So your seatbelt buckle goes in, that goes up, so that this tab will lift up. It's no longer pressing on that little white button, so you'd have obviously nothing on your screen. So when you don't have your seatbelt on, that goes down, that goes down. So this tab will be touching that button like that, and then you'd be flashing. So I let go and it's not flashing. So that's all you got to do to disable the seatbelt safety feature on these newer Honda Pioneer 520s.